Okay, so today I'll show you the steps like how you can take screenshot of profile picture on WhatsApp. Like you might be familiar with like how you cannot like take screenshot due to the security policy. So I'll show you how you can bypass that. But for that thing to do, you what you can do is, if you like, you can do this in many platforms. Like you can do it on your phone, your laptop, anywhere. But first, I'm gonna show you on how you can do it on laptop. It doesn't matter whether it's Windows or Mac. So the step will remain same. So let me just share my screen. So as you can see, I've shared my screen. So what you need to do is just open WhatsApp. And for instance, if I want to take a screenshot of this Amazon profile picture, so what you need to do is, here you can just take a screenshot. So if I want to take only this one, so what you can do is just crop it over here. So if you are on Mac, then what you can do is press Command Shift and 4 to select a particular area. And if you are on Windows, so what you need to do is, if you are on Windows, then open WhatsApp for Windows. Then like if you want to take screenshot of this profile picture, then click on this one, then again click on this. Then once it's in the full screen mode, so what you will need to do is, you need to press this print screen button. Just press it. It will enable snipping tool. So if you have a mouse, then click and hold this left mouse button, and you click and hold it. Then you drag it till the area is fully selected, and once you select the whole area, just release it and it will take the screenshot. So that's how you can do it on Windows. Now, so this is how you can take screenshot on WhatsApp. And like if you don't have like the WhatsApp desktop version or the WhatsApp app version, then you can use the browser. There you can sign into WhatsApp web. So if I just show you, go to WhatsApp web, then here login with your phone. Then after that, follow the same step. It will also do the same thing. And like if you don't have a desktop, then what you can do is, let me just share my phone screen. So what you need to do is go to WhatsApp web. Then if you don't have this desktop site enabled, then enable it. Then otherwise it will not show you the option to link your device WhatsApp account. So once it, then you need to that is just wait. Well, you need to, once it show you the QR code, then scan this QR code from your main phone. And once you get login, like if this is the, like if you have only one phone, then what you can do is just take a screenshot of this and send it to your another phone. Or if you have any other phone available to you, then send it to that phone and use that QR code to scan it from your main phone. So if I, and after you do this step successfully, then you will be successfully logged into your WhatsApp account. Then click on the profile picture for, so click on the profile picture, then again press and hold on this profile picture. Then you will get an option to download the image. Just press download, and as you can see, you have successfully downloaded the image. This is the best, like this is the best way that I have found, by which you can download, like take screenshot or like the download the profile picture onto your device, by bypassing the WhatsApp security policy. So without modifying the ad, like without using any shady apps. So yes, this is all about the procedure how you can take screenshot. I hope you found